Okay, this is going to be a more in-depth look at my GoldStar window unit and why we don't use it. First off, it's only been used 2 times, and that was in 2006. And the reason we don't use it is because this room stays relatively cool in the summer, and plus the parents are too stingy to run it. But it's a GoldStar, it's made by LG, and as you can tell, it hasn't been used. It looks like it's never been used, but it's been used once or twice just to test out. Look how clear that is. I hate the way this filter's set up. It's got digital controls, and as you see, the breaker's been shut off to it. It's a model number GWHD 6500RY6, cooling capacity 6500 BTU an hour. Input 670 watt, EER 9.7 BTU/H.watt. Voltage 115 volt, 60 hertz, 6.1 amps, single phase. Design pressure, high side 350 PSIG, low side 150 PSIG. Refrigerant R22, 12.4 ounces. Room air conditioner, made in Thailand. And the serial number is, jeez, that's a long number, 602HAZX25909. And then there's another number, HWC061JGMK7. And then there's a really long number, 1HDP65WHTWIN62RAE062259009. It even has its own nifty little remote. The battery's probably expired in it. It's got this weird looking plug. Had to put the outlet in upside down for the thing to work. Plug is made by Tower Manufacturing Corporation. It's LCID, 10 amp, 125 volts, alternating current, 1250 watts. It's standard. That fits snug as a bug in there. Yeah, see the power's shut off to it. We had to, hang on, let me turn this light on. There you can see. We had to perform a little surgery on the picture frame in order for the cord to fit. Oh, that light bulb's hot. But yeah. And this is not meant to go through the wall, but I put it through the wall because, well, it wouldn't fit in the windows because it's too small. Then there's the blower, which you can't see. Yeah. GoldStar. LG makes the best window units. Electrolux is iffy. But yeah, it's got the turny thingy-mabobs right here. It's a really nice unit. Yeah. It's through the wall. A decent unit. We got it dirt cheap at Home Depot for, I think, $179. Whoa, camera about fell. But yeah, anyways, over and out.